Take a look at this 2010 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Make less trips to the service station when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Premier wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.